Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the EKSA Bluetooth headset with microphone and USB dongle. 30 hours talk time and 33 feet range. AI environmental noise cancelling mic. Over-ear wireless headphones for personal computer, laptops, computers, home, work, office, Zoom, for your iPad, for your tablet, for your smartphone. And nearly every connectability is possible with that because it comes with a dongle. If your device does not support Bluetooth, you can make it Bluetooth positive by using the dongle. That's really cool, I think. And it's multifunction. AI-powered environment noise cancelling is the hit maker. We enjoy clear calls even in noise environments. With the advanced built-in ENC chip, this artificial intelligent powered noise cancelling wireless headphone can eliminate up to 96% of background noise and ensure crystal clear communication for all centers, office, home, personals, computer chats, and of course games too. Yeah. And Bluetooth, and we have a dongle and USB dongle, universal serial bus. The latest Bluetooth tech and the powerful built-in Qualcomm chip ensures a lightning-fast and ultra-stable connection within 32 feet. These are around about 10 meters. Barrier-free range. Just simply with the USB dongle, which is included. No extra hassle to connect this EKSAtelecom Bluetooth headset with microphone to our desired Bluetooth device and personal computer. And we have a big bunch of talk time, 1,800 minutes. I think it's enough for a day. This headset with the microphone for personal computers comes to satisfy us with a massive 500 mAh battery with up to 1,800 minutes or 30 hours of uninterrupted calls and 55 hours of non-stop music. And just to do that is only 1.5 hours of a full charge. Really cool. The ultra-large and removable earmuffs provides optimal comfort to house our ears. Plus, the adjustable headband can fit seamlessly onto any head size without being too tight. We can easily wear this ultralight Bluetooth headset, which comes only with 141 grams, all day and talk endlessly without feeling its weight tearing us down. By simply pressing the buzzy button on the wireless headset that acts as a do not disturb sign, we can effectively focus on the task at hand and enjoy higher event without being interrupted. That's cool. That's smart. That it is the EKSA Bluetooth personal computer headset. AI power environment noise cancelling Bluetooth and USB dongle headset. 1,800 minutes talking time. EKSAtelecom, the office headset brand of EKSA, hold true to the mission of building a flexible and efficient communication system to filter surrounding noise while retraining the clear voices. The noise cancelling hands-free headset uses ENC technology, ideal for various workplaces, environments like call centers, warehouses, and more. Be heard anywhere with the Qualcomm chip, with ENC technology, with dual connection, as you can see in that video here. 30 hours call time, Bluetooth dongle, breathable material, all inclusive. Bluetooth version 5.0, Bluetooth wireless range 10 meters, these are 32 feet. The charging time is only 1.5 hours. The talk time 30 hours. Music time 55 hours. Standby time 160 hours. And the driver diameter is 40 millimeter. The driver impedance is 32 plus minus 50%. The driver frequency is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The driver sensitivity is 114 decibel, plus minus 3. The mic sensitivity is minus 25, plus minus 1 decibel. The mic frequency is 100 Hz to 10 kHz. The mic directivity is an omnidirectional microphone. And the mic comes with an AI voice intelligent noise cancelling system. Bigger battery, longer call time. Equipped with 500 mAh battery, it can keep 30 hours of talk time or 160 hours of standby time, and it takes only 1.5 hours to charge each time, which fully meets our traffic demand. We have a portable microphone and a rotatable microphone. This is really cool because it means slide the mic up, the mic will shut off. Slide the mic down, you can make a talk. We have a buzzy light on the left button. We have a Type-C to a USB-A cable to recharge the battery. We have the volume control, plus and minus, and a multifunction switch in the center. We have soft earbuds and adjustable headband. The computer headset have an extra large earmuffs, which is breathable and sweat absorbent. We feel comfortable with almost any ear type and does not cause any extra burden to our ears. And the USB dongle, I think it's really cool. The personal computer adapter specially designed that can be quickly connect work headsets with the computer. This is a good choice for office using, like meetings and video conferences. Only go, use the dongle, get it in position, you're to connect it. 120 degrees flip boom arm of the laptop headset ensures precise positioning. We can adjust the mic to find the perfect angle that fits our right or left ear, as we like. And buzzy light. Avoid interruptions thanks to the buzzy light that manually turns on during a call to let others know do not disturb us. So it's a call center headset that keeps us focused. We have the multifunction button, okay? On this, we press 3 seconds to turn it on or off. We can play push once, that means pause or play. We can push on the upper side don't disturb button one time, do not disturb. A triple click to wake up the voice assist or Siri. That's cool, I think. Then we have a volume button, up and down, of course. No? And if you press the plus and minus button for 2 seconds to the next or previous track. The mic on or off, pull it up, pull it down. Easy going. That's really easy, and it fits good on my head. It makes a good sound. It is really nice to wear it a long time. And I think the killer thing here is, the best thing is the dongle that makes you it's possible to make not smart devices which does not have Bluetooth. You can use the dongle to make that possible, that you can dock this Bluetooth headset there. Really cool. Of course, you can. You had saw in that video here that I connected it to my iPad and to my iPhone, and on 2 devices at the same time. No problem for it. This is the EKSA Bluetooth headset with microphone and USB dongle, 30 hours talk time and 33 feet range, an AI environmental noise cancelling mic, over-ear wireless headphone for personal computer, laptop computer, iPad, iPhone or smartphones, home, work, office, and for example, Zoom meeting, software, what you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.